Color has three properties: chroma, intensity, and value. The color wheel is made with three primary colors, and they are red, blue, and yellow. The secondary colors are mixed. Red and blue make purple. Red and yellow make orange, and yellow and blue make green. The tertiary colors are mixed with a primary and a secondary, and they are blue-green, yellow-green, red-orange, yellow-orange, blue-violet, and red-violet. Intensity refers to the dullness and brightness of a color. Value in color theory is the addition of black or white in order to lighten or darken a color. When adding white to a color, it is called a tint. And when you add black to a color, it is called a shade. And finally, when you add gray to a color, it is called a tone. Colors can be warm, such as red, yellow, and orange. They can also be cool, such as blue and purple. There are also complementary colors on the color wheel. They are yellow and purple, blue and orange, and green and red. When describing colors, make sure you explain the colors that are used within the artwork. For example, I see a red splash of paint on the painting. Use vocabulary words such as cool and warm, complementary colors, primary, secondary, tertiary colors. Do you see tints, shades, or tones? Describe all of the qualities of the color you see within the artwork. A few years back, I attended a special fundraising run. I got to throw color powder all over my friends. It was called the Color Run. The happiest explosion of rainbow color you can ever imagine. Did you realize I just showed you an example of color? Now let's apply it. Here are examples of color within artwork. Let's describe the color. The two-dimensional pen and ink Day of the Dead drawing of Jimi Hendrix uses all colors of the rainbow consisting of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. The primary and secondary colors on the color wheel is represented. The Paisley designs have a mix of cool colors such as blue and purple and warm colors such as red and yellow. The cool and warm colors contrast each other. In the background, the color orange is next to the complementary color blue. The colors are intense, which means they are saturated. The three-dimensional ceramic strawberry teapot uses 4 colors. The purple flower has a yellow center, which are complementary colors to each other. The red body of the strawberry and the green stems and leaves are also complementary colors to each other. The yellow seeds on the strawberries are primary colors, and so is the red. The colors are intense, which means they are saturated and bright. The digital photo of a paint splatter uses red and purple paint. Red is a primary color and purple is a secondary color, made with the primary colors red and blue. The colors are very bright. In the shadow area, we see a dark red. It appears this way because of the black shadow of the paint splatter creating a dark shade of red. The video shows flowers opening and closing over a lapse of time. In the background, we see warm colors blending from orange to pink. The first flower we see is a cool colored primary blue and secondary purple flower. The color along the edges of this flower is dull or desaturated and inconsistent due to the opacity being lowered. In the center and the bottom of the video, we see 2 more flowers opening, revealing desaturated, inconsistent pink along the edges and a bright primary yellow center on the bottom flower only. Then the top flower closes, and as it does so, the colors become a dark, cool blue and purple until it is fully shut, hiding the color inside. The ice cream sundae ingredients that represents color are the rainbow sprinkles. They have a wide variety of colors on the color wheel, such as primary colors red, yellow, and blue, and secondary colors orange, green, and violet. One tint, which is red and white, mixed to make pink. Also, the Skittles represent the primary colors red and yellow, no blue in the pack, and secondary colors orange, green, and violet.